In today's video, I'll show you on how you can play music with microphone in Voicemeeter Banana. First things first, head over to the application and you want to make sure that you have successfully set up your microphone and the hardware output. In my case, I'm using my main speaker, and then you want to double click on this specific button, which is the mono button, and it will turn into this symbol right here. Basically, right after that, all you have to do is to click on the B button. With this one, it means that your microphone will be able to hear the input. So to simplify, basically what A means is that you hear yourself, and with B, it means that what other people hear. So if I turn the letter B off, you won't be able to hear me. As you can see, I'm speaking that moment, but you guys cannot hear me because I turned off the B. But if I turn on A, I will be able to hear myself, which will create this echo, hello, because the speaker volume is bouncing off my microphone. So what you want to do is to just click on the B button because this is the virtual input, and then you also want to click on A if you want to hear what you're trying to put out or the music that you're trying to listen to. But the main idea is to just make sure that the B is enabled, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.